Side marker tint, man. Came in. These the tires. I got these yesterday. I got me some 55s. I found out the hard way them 75s I ordered didn't fit. I got these Goodrich things. They ran me $165 a piece for these 55s. But these gonna get tinted. You know what I'm saying? These gonna get tinted. I did get my bumper fixed, you know what I'm saying, for my little situation I had. That thing looked like new. And I just did hair for the tail light. You know what I'm saying? Let's check it out. Trying it out. This is me cleaning them. I'm called dirty hell on the back. Got that Luxe thing. It's regular. Here go that tinted thing right there. I just done it just now. Yeah. I'm almost through though. I'm gonna get back at you, man. I'm using mine. It's only me. Only me doing it. But yeah. I'll be right back at you in a minute. Got that Luxe tint finally. There you go, man. I'm back at it. This joint is super simple. Super easy. I should have been done this, man. I don't be having no patience to do nothing related to a car. I always pay somebody to do something. Wish I was gonna pay somebody to tint my tail lights. Then I'm like, nah. Let me just get this Luxe like everybody telling me to do. And do it myself, man. I'm tripping. Why would I pay somebody to do this? Let me see. Hold on, man. I gotta work with me.
Hold on.
Let me curve that edge. Let me curve the edge on it. Oops, I'm dropping stuff, man. Work with me here, man. Ratchet YouTube video, homemade ratchet video, man. Shaky camera, I almost dropped my camera. Work with me though. I got Junior in the cut recording on his, man. You know, dual action. I guess that's good, man. I'll be back at you one more time. Back at it, man. Side marker tint here. This the finished product on this here. Finally blacked out. Now on to these side markers. I'll holler back. Done with the product now, man. Check it out. Side markers. You know what I'm saying? Look at them side thing. They go to bed with the Luxe tint. We got this side. We got the champ right there, man. Yeah. Got that junk. Got this one here. Looks like I'm good to go, man.
With these crooked numbers.
Yeah, all that. Watch out, man.
Ooh, look, Mike.
Yeah. Check it out.
Like, that thing is not real.
Watch out, Junior. Green Hemi. And the champ over there. Sanding out, man. Finally tinted out here with that Luxe thing. Luxe. Get a good picture of it. Yeah. Germ grain.